Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this like 3D looking text look 2D. So I'm just going to type in the word example and I'm going to select another font for it, for instance this one, and I am going to select like this, just a stroke a little bit. And here I'm just going to change the color of the text. I like this one. Copy and paste it. I'm also going to make it a little bit larger than that. And on the text behind, I'm just going to place it like this, but I'm going to pick the color, the same color as the background. I know there's like still some lines here. What I do differently is I'm just going to type in the same thing on top, and I'm going to select the same font and I'm going to size it the same, and then I'll also add in a stroke here. It doesn't really matter that much, but I'm just going to add that in. And I'm going to kind of make it 3D like that. So it is pretty simple. You're just going to add a keyframe in the position and size. And kind of at the end, you're just going to want to place it back here. So it's like from a 3D to a 2D text. That's pretty much it. Really, it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!